Hi, my lovelies. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited for today. I know I'm not here today, but my really good friend Miss Wilson is here, and we're going to teach her about Zentangles. Yay! Do you remember our fabulous Zentangles? Well, guess what? We're going to do something again with Zentangles. We're going to use Zentangle leaves. Let's take a look at our Zentangles from before and then talk about what they are. Whoa, there they are, those beautiful Zentangles. Does anybody remember what they are? Did they tell you, Miss Wilson, how they are each, inside each of these circles is a Zentangle pattern? It's a repeating pattern, and it's simple lines repeating patterns. And Zentangles are very, most often, most of the time, really common to be just black and white, and they're beautiful. Well, we're going to do something today with our beautiful Zentangles, repeating patterns of simple lines and a leaf. Hold on. Whoa, look at this beautiful leaf. This person was able to take segments of a leaf and put Zentangles in it, and they also put some beautiful oil pastels. That's actually exactly what we're going to do today. Let's watch someone do this. Hold on. All right, this person has a leaf pattern just like we're going to have. It is an oak leaf that has been segmented up, and they're taking their Sharpie marker just like we will, and they're making Zentangle patterns inside some of the segments, taking their time, filling it in, doing quality work and their best work. Now, they're not filling in every segment with a Zentangle because some of those segments they're going to use the oil pastels. And they can use 2 or 3 oil pastel colors and blend them together to make the alternate segments. Let's see what they're doing. Oh, I like how they've got that green. They are using light and dark green and blending it together. I wonder if they'll use any other blends. Look at the reds and oranges and yellows blended together. That is beautiful. If you look, they have taken, and every segment either has a Zentangle or an oil pastel. That's really awesome. This is what's going to happen with you. Miss Wilson is going to pass out the leaf patterns just like the person in our video had. She's also going to help you get your fine tip, the little tip Sharpie. You're going to start with doing Zentangles. Are you going to do a Zentangle in every segment? No, you have to save some of those segments for the oil pastels. When you're done with your Sharpie, give it back to Miss Wilson, trade it in for the oil pastels, and off to work you go to finish the empty segments with oil pastels. I'm going to leave up on the board the picture of the one that we watched in the video as a reference. It will also have next to it some pictures of Zentangles as a reference for you to use. Have fun! Bye. See you next time.